extra saucy content such as movies, dramas, albums, live stages, anime, blocked videos. Make sure you check out the Patreon, it is linked below. Let's get back into this video. Who the hell are these people coming out of the shadows? You ugly as fuck. Really, now the dad just showing off. Why is he on his hands, bro? Man doing a handstand? Wildin'. What are we doing? What in the supersonic just happened there? Brother rolling like Sonic. Kind of heat is a little unusual. Interesting. Nope, never seen that before. Cooked. But I'm fully panicking, bro. Full on panic mode. Should I have to wait for you now? Damn. Why are you here? Who's that watching them? Is that the guy that's sent to kill her? What's that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, shit got deep. Shit got real deep, real quick. Oh shit. He's blaming himself. Brother is just listening to all of this. Figured out what? Mystery what? Superhero. I mean, she ain't wrong. Good big goofy grin. Skinny and weak. Damn. Dropping tears as well, but she hardly got touched. Hey, a mom's love? Okay, I don't know. This might be a bit too heavy for me. I ain't gonna lie, man. Bro. This might be a bit too heavy for me, bro. Oh my god. This is unfair indeed, bro. That's life. It's life. Life is very unpredictable, bro. Very unpredictable. Wow. Sad and heartbreaking. Crazy work. Oh, okay. At least you're self-aware. Fucking hell. At least you're self-aware. My goodness. Brother grieving, still grieving, and you just had to drop that in his face. Someone might have killed your mom, and it could have been a hollow. Why did he put that pill thing in this teddy bear? Because this teddy bear can yap. My goodness. This teddy bear not staying quiet for nobody. Good lord. Innit? Shut it, teddy bear. Stop talking. She can sense him. He's lurking in the shadows. He's sent here to take you out. He sent here to take your ass out. You just might be cooked. Where he lurking? You think he's... Oh, you see him. Oh, yeah. Nice nap, brother. Napping? Mid-job? Mid-job just taking naps. Ah, shit. Soul Reaper. Brother bounced. Brother said, I'm out. He ain't taking me out. Here we go. Damn, splashed. Wait, Mom, did you just say careless driver? What do you mean? Brother was just driving. Your son is the reckless one. It was come correct. What are you talking about, Mom? When it comes to roads, if your kid's old enough to start walking, the first thing you gotta teach your child is when you come at a junction, any type of road, you best look left and right to see if that shit's clear. You don't walk just to walk. You don't own the streets. If you try to get deaded real quick, go ahead. Just start walking and thinking you own the streets. She should have been holding your hand. She almost lost you there. Something tells me that she wasn't there. Something's telling me that she was already dead, right? That's what it's giving me. It's giving me because I feel like the mom didn't see her. Only he saw, and he's had this ability since young. But all she saw was her son drowning. Interesting. That's what I'm getting right now. Look, she can't see nobody. Damn. Ah, shit. But I will say this, they do say the memory is fragile. You know, how you remember something isn't always how it actually went down. So, you know, and he was a kid. Do you know what I'm saying? His memory could be distorted. The heart of our family. But why is this getting so emotional? What's going on? I thought I was here to get like fight scenes and, you know, just slicing and dicing demons and shit. Or soul sucking something. Why am I feeling like this? No, let it out, bro. If she feels like crying, cry away. Drop them tears. Go ahead. And then we've got this goof over here. Yo, is this a gym? See, now at points like this, you start questioning the husband. You're like, yo, did you even love your wife? Like, because you out here doing jumping jacks and we trying to moan. Like, we trying to remember the moms. You out here doing jumping jacks and push-ups. Like, brother. Deserved. Deserved. Valid. Oh no, on his ass, on someone's grave? Cheeks up on someone's... Dang. Alright. Crazy work. She famous. Princess. Damn. I don't know you, buddy. Thank you. Please, let's get it. Go on. What's the questions? Damn. Just landing on the brother's shoulder. She's in trouble. She is. High school girl. Facts. You can do that. Do as you please, innit? Grown up into a woman. What? Innit? What does that mean? Are you good? Everybody needs love. Yo. And take her back. Let's see you trying it. I want to see you lot get down in minutes. Let's see your moves. I want to see if you nice. Or you just all talk. Spiky head is crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, he's been that serious, but oh shit. Hey, big mistake. Crime. Crime. Oh. Brother. Why am I getting attacked? Brother, you came for her. Oh no. Oh, hey yo. Brother, why you got your deep damn? Alright, it's gonna be a good fight. Here we go. Something's here. You can sense it. Whoa. What the hell was that? What was that? I've heard of Invisible Woman from Fantastic Four, but what the hell is that? Okay, hold up. He nice. Ooh, dang. Easy. Dang. Nice dodging. Movement. Of course he's an amateur. He just started. You don't know about him. You never knew about him. Of course he's an amateur. He just got into the shit. Duh. How slow are you? The fuck? Well, they just started. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The way he was fighting him with one hand was kind of rude. It's messing with your family. It's messing with your family. Innit? Your family. Lock in. Man, I wait. Damn. Oh no. Nah, if something happens to his family on the same day his mother okay. This day is gonna be one of those. Nah. I wouldn't even want to wake up on a day like this. Something best not happen to him. Brother out here flying and you lot out here just walking downstairs. One pinned down to the floor, the other one getting choked in the air. What is that? Wait, I saw 2 sets of mouths. To be continued. Oh, that's what we're doing? Oh, we doing that shit. Oh, okay. This anime or that kind of bullshit. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Aggressive. 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 Alright, calm it down. Just run. Oh! Oh! Don't tell me that's the head. Oh!